Hello, and thank you for watching my video. Today I'm going to be going over the Set Required IP Address Fields feature. So what is this feature? This feature builds on the PHP IPAM request video that I did previously. Let me get over here so you can see. That would be this under IP related management, filter IP fields. The required IP fields builds on that previous video. Let's take a quick look in here, and these are all the fields that can be required. So if I briefly go through what all these mean again, we have description. This is the description of the device or application using the IP address. The host name is the DNS name of the host using the IP address. The MAC address is obviously the MAC address. The owner, this could be the owner of the IP address or department. Device, if you've watched my earlier videos, you'll see that this drop down allows you to select a device. Location, this could be an office, or if you saw one of my setting up locations video earlier. Port, these are the ports that are in use by this IP address. Note, this allows for a space in the under the IP address that takes, information in about the note, about the IP address in a note form, so like a ticket number or something. And I'm skipping customer ID because I don't think it's actually working. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click a few fields so that these are now required. So I'm going to click host name, owner, location, and what's the other one? I want to do note. I'm going to hit save. Now, once I've saved this, that means it's going to be for all of my sections with subnets. Every subnet is going to require this. So keep that in mind. If you have different sections, this applies to all sections and all IP addresses. Now I'm going to use the customers folder because this one, it should be installed by default, so everybody should be able to see it. So next I'm going to come in here to the specific IP address 10.10.1.5. I'm going to go to the pencil, and in here you'll see that everywhere there's a star, right, that is a required field now. So for instance, if I type server 3 here, there's no star, so this isn't actually required. But you'll notice the ones that are required. I need to put one in for the owner, so I'll just make that Tom, and I need to put in a note as well. So let's put this as test note. And I'm going to hit the save or edit IP. And if I go back in, right, and I take out the description and take out the MAC address, and I hit edit, it'll save it. If I go back in and I delete the Tom, it'll say I need to put the owner field in. So, and I'll put that back in, and I'll put that back in. There we go. Now that I've done that, I also want to demonstrate that I can undo some of these requirements. Now, if I go, oh shoot, I'm sorry. Under here, I made a slight boo-boo. I wanted to explain the location. So you'll notice under location, I have HQ and Office 1. So by default, since this is required now, and I already have these configured as locations under the admin panel, it defaults to the first one, which is HQ. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that. Now, if I go back and change the required and remove location and remove note, and I go back to and save and go back to number 5 IP address and go to the pencil to edit, you'll notice that location and note no longer have the asterisks. I can change it to none, so I'm not requiring that to be there. And I can remove the note field and I should be able to save. All right, so here I have demonstrated how to use the required IP fields. I hope this makes it a little easier and understand that it will apply across all subnets and sections. I hope this made understanding how to use the set required IP address fields a little clearer. Finally, I wanted to thank you for watching my video, and as always, please like and subscribe and add some comments of what you liked and what else you would like me to cover. Have a great day. Bye.